Hello viewers, welcome to another new video. You are watching KTC. I am here with a smartwatch. This is a Haylou LS02. It is a simple smartwatch. It is capable with Android devices and iOS devices also. It has some specialty we'll talk about next. First we talk its build quality. It's really nice build quality as its price. Currently in Bangladesh its price 1500 taka only, and it is a budget friendly smartwatch. Anyway, it has some specialty like heart rate sensor, activity tracker and sleep tracker, etc. I have been using it since 1 year, but there is no issues. Its performance really cool. I can't complain anything. So I recommend anyone can buy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.